on your natural hair journey, do you feel as though it's taking forever for you to achieve the goals that you set for hair health and hair growth, or that your hair is not growing, that you're looking and searching for this kickstart to good hair, healthy hair growth? Well, today in this video, I got something for you. We are going to talk about fenugreek and the benefits it has on hair growth. I'm Rolandine Vaughn of Naturally You Hair Products, where our passion is supplying you with all natural, 100% authentic hair products containing only ingredients that you can recognize and that you can pronounce to promote healthy hair growth, of course. And these ingredients will not compromise your overall health. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. And recommended videos, video links on this topic that we're talking about today, fenugreek, will be in the description box below. So don't forget to check those out. And stay to the end of the video where I will share with you the easiest ways to incorporate fenugreek into your natural hair care routine. So let's get straight into it. Be it if you just started your natural hair journey or you've been doing this thing for years, hopefully enjoying every day of it, there are moments where you feel as though, hey, my hair is not growing. Like, no matter what you do to it, no matter how you wear it, no matter what type of products you use, it's not growing. Well, I want to stop you there. Your hair is always growing. It grows from the scalp, from your hair follicles that are in your scalp. So albeit you are a person whose hair follicles have been stripped from their scalp, your hair is still growing. And thank God that's not most of our reality, right? So put that to rest. Your hair is growing, but you once again have to realize that it's not just what you put on your hair that promotes growth, but it's also what you put in your body and what you do to your body. So you need to drink more water. You need to get adequate rest. We're talking about 7 to 9 hours a night, people. You need to eat healthy foods like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole wheats, things of that nature. You know, indulge if you must in the sweets, but do it moderately. But overall, you have to take care of this body that God's blessed you with, right? So in addition to that, we need to use products that are beneficial to our overall health in addition to our hair health. Now, nature has helped us out quite a bit by giving us a lot of ingredients, and it will be a shame if we don't use them. So that's what Naturally You is all about. We're all about using nature's best ingredients for hair health. And in addition to all of the nature ingredients that we use, I want to highlight fenugreek today, because fenugreek is a well-kept secret. It's a seed, of course, from earth that is packed with proteins and irons and vitamins. I mean, we're talking about all the nutrients that are needed for overall health plus hair health. It promotes shine to your hair, promotes thickness. It even has a benefit, an extra benefit of helping with scalp irritation. So like if you are that person that has dandruff due to the overproduction of the oils that are in your oil glands in your scalp, it will help out with that. And even on the opposite side of the spectrum, if you suffer from a dry, itchy scalp, it will help with that by adding some moisture. So I mean, fenugreek overall is a great ingredient to have in your hair care products. So you're probably now wondering, how do I easily incorporate fenugreek into my natural hair care routine? Well, that's where Naturally You Hair Products comes into play. because quite a few of our products in our collection contain fenugreek, like our Naturally You shampoo. Of course, it has African black soap, which is our #1, in our opinion, natural clarifying cleanser, but it's paired with fenugreek to promote that hair growth that you want. It stimulates the scalp, our shampoo does, with our peppermint ingredients and our eucalyptus ingredients. We even have beard wash for our brothers that have quite a few of the same ingredients that our shampoo has, but we also throw in some cedar wood in there to strengthen the strands in the facial hair. Of course, there's fenugreek in there too, and fenugreek in our scalp oil, paired with many other oils, nature's oils that will get your hair healthy and get it growing. We have Jamaican black castor oil, we have lavender oil, we have, of course, fenugreek, soaked seeds, in coconut oil. So, Naturally You has what you need. It does, and we pride ourselves in using nature's best ingredients that you've used in the past, that you love, to help you reach your healthy hair goals. And once again, with Naturally You, we've done all the work for you. There's no reason for you to try to figure out a formula with all these good ingredients that nature has blessed us with. We've already done that and wrapped it up in a bowl for you, and all you have to do is order it. So with that being said, you can click our Naturally You link below to read up on all of our products, to read up on our customer testimonials, to read up on what we stand for, and of course you can order from that website also. I hope this video helped you. I hope it helped you learn more about fenugreek and the benefits it has on your hair growth. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below and we'll talk about them, okay? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you can get more healthy hair tips. So thank you yet again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.